Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to edit pivot chart in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I already created pivot chart. So to edit this, simply click on the charts and go to the pivot chart analysis. In show or hide, click on the field list, and you can see the right hand side pivot chart fields is open. Okay, now you can easily edit it. If you want to edit the excise label, if you want to change the excise label, so you can change it the current excise label in horizontal showing the categories list. So to remove the category, just click on this drop down arrow and click on the remove the fields. Now you can add the another fields. Okay, so I add here the product list in excise label in horizontal. You can see the product name list is added. Okay, if you want to add the total price, if you want to resize this pivot chart fields, you can resize. Just click on this arrow and click on the resize, and you just drag and set here. Okay, now you can check it. Okay, and you can see in value there is a sum of unit price is added. If you want to add total price, you can easily add it. Just click on this arrow. First remove this sum of unit price, then add the total price, dragged in below fields, and you can see the total price is added. Okay, you can add here the legend series also. If you want to add the legend series and category, you can add here the category. See the legend series is categories added. Okay, if you want to edit this date, so if you want to add the order ID in filters, you can add here. You can see the two filters showing in pivot chart, date and order ID. If you want to remove anyone, suppose if you want to remove the date, just click on this arrow and click on the remove date. Now you can see the order already here showing. Okay, so this is the way you can edit your pivot chart. Okay, just close this, and that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.